today's video I will be showing you a recipe of broccoli pasta. This is a very simple and an easy recipe to make. So here, as you can see, I've got all the ingredients for making the pasta. See the link down below and the description box, cause I'm gonna write all the how many things you need, like how many pasta and how much broccoli. So I have here boiled pasta with me, macaroni. I'm gonna use some garlic granules and 3 small cubes of Magi cube. It's Magi powder. This is broccoli washed, and a bit of water, a bit of salt, some pepper, black pepper. This is Italian extra virgin olive oil. If you don't have Italian extra virgin olive oil, you can use olive oil, or if you want, you can use vegetable or sunflower oil. It's your choice, but I like to use olive oil. Then here I have soya sauce, dark soya sauce. You can use light one as well. And here I'm going to use a bit of tomato puree with basil and oregano. So we're going to start off by putting the oil in the pan. Here I've got the pan, and I'm going to first add the oil, a little bit of oil, this much. The broccoli and the water is dried up, so that's a good sign. That means all the water is used up. And now I'm going to add a bit of tomato puree, like 1/2 teaspoon, I suppose, this much, and a bit of oil, because all the oil is dried up, so I will use a bit of oil. And I'm gonna mix this well now. The thing is that you don't really add tomato puree with soy sauce, but I just wanted to try it out, like try something new out. I can smell the aroma, it's so good. I do hope you try this out. Let's see how the outcome will be. So after putting this tomato puree, I'm gonna add the Magi cubes, the 3 of of them, yeah. They're like powder form here, as you can see. I'm gonna add the second one now. And so we're gonna give this a mix, having added all the 3 little small cubes. If you don't have 3 little small cubes like the ones I had, you can use half of the, the normal medium-sized chicken cube powder, or even meat of the Magi cube masala. You can get it in halal shops. So the next thing I'm going to add is a bit of garlic granules. Just a bit of sprinkle to bring the flavor of garlic. I'm going to mix this well now. The flame is high right now, and I'm going to add the macaronis, the boiled ones. They're fully boiled, by the way. I'm going to break the macaroni over here. I'm going to mix this well. Right now you can literally, if you're making this, you can literally smell the pasta, and it's so tasty. It smells so tasty and nice. And I hope it's good in eating as well. Breaking down all the pasta, I'm going to mix this well. Up and down. Mixing this well, I'm going to add the dark soya sauce. Just gonna put, I don't know, about 1 to 2 teaspoons. See? Seems so good. And now I'm gonna give it a good mix. I'm going to mix this well. The smell is so good. As you can see, the color of some of the pastas is turning brownish, light brown. And for the final touch, I'm going to add black pepper. I'm not going to add salt because the Magi cubes I added, they had salt in them, so I will need extra salt. So I'm just going to add the pepper. I'm going to mix this well. So guys, this is our final look. It looks super delicious. Can't wait to dig in. And do try it out. Tell me in the comments below. Subscribe my channel if new to my YouTube channel. And kindly give a like to my video. And share my videos. Comment, like, share, subscribe. And till then, have a good day. We'll see you guys in the next video with some more videos. Till then, bye.